Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Neachin, Chief of Staff here at ABC Veterinary Hospital. And today we're going to discuss a smelly topic. We're going to talk about fecal examination. We do fecal examinations on an annual basis for pets because we're trying to prevent diseases from pets passing to other pets or to people. Those diseases that pass from pets to people are called zoonotic diseases, and they can be very serious. They can cause problems in children with vision, abdominal pain, flu-like symptoms. So it's very important that all our puppies and kittens be dewormed to prevent that type of transmission. The way this process is done is pets receive a regular deworming on a monthly basis, either in the form of an oral product or something topical like Revolution, and that helps prevent pets from having parasites. Not all parasites can be treated for preventively, so it's also important that we check stool samples regularly on puppies and also annually on adult pets, dogs and cats. What we do is we have you bring in a stool sample in a sealed plastic bag. It just needs to be fresh that day, so it's not dried out. If it's an overnight sample, we need to keep it cool. The sample comes into the hospital and we look under a microscope to check for parasites, and then we also send it to the laboratory so that it can be analyzed immunologically to see if there's any giardia. And we also use a procedure called ELISA, which checks very small portions or microscopic amounts of parasites in the stool. This allows us to increase our sensitivity and detect smaller number of parasites and dangerous parasites more easily. Some parasites are difficult to find, and this ELISA testing allows us to detect them with much greater accuracy and sensitivity. We have found a much higher increase in the presence of giardia, which is a zoonotic disease between people and dogs and cats, and roundworms is extremely common in puppies, and their transmission causes a very serious problem. The CDC recommends this annual screening to protect children from these diseases, and it's also very important for the health of your pets. Parasites really weaken the pets. They make them more susceptible to viruses like parvovirus, and they cause debilitation, weight loss, and an unthrifty appearance. So they also are very uncomfortable, can cause abdominal pain, itchiness of the perineum, and just something everybody thinks is an emergency when they see these worms perhaps crawling out. Most of them are microscopic and need these laboratory tests to diagnose them. So please remember when you bring your pet in for their annual physical exam that you bring a stool sample, fresh stool sample, so that we can check them for parasites and keep them healthy. Thank you very much.